Hello, so you want to know how to make a Discord server because you just want one, and you don't know how. Well, that's why I'm here. I'm going to show you how because you're a boomer that doesn't know how to make one. All jokes aside though, let's go show you how to make a Discord server. So first thing you want to do is obviously open up Discord, and then, you know, let it open up. By the way, Mons and Ons, best Discord server. It's my Discord server. Here it is. Look, we have announcements for my videos and other stuff. We've got chat. Anyway, while I'm plugging stuff, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I'm showing you how to do them. Because I'm showing you how to do things that you don't know what to do. So you want to find this plus button. Mine's under all these servers and folders because I have a lot of servers. But you want to hit create your own, answer the question or skip it, create a name, upload a icon if you want, and create it, and bam, got your own Discord server. You can invite your friends and do whatever you want to Discord stuff, do stuff. Yeah. I'm also going to show you how to delete it because I don't need the server. No one needs the server. We're going to go into server settings, delete, and then I'm going to have to put in my authentication code, other, submit. There we go. This is how you make and delete a Discord server. Hopefully this helps one of you. I will see you guys in a couple days. Subscribe if you haven't already and stay hydrated.